Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to design a social media calendar in Excel. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to design a social media calendar in Excel, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Excel app. Once you open your Excel app, you need to get logged in into your Excel account. Once you have got logged into your Excel account, end up in this interface. So now you need to tap on the plus icon and tap on blank workbook. Once you have done this, now as you want to design a social media calendar in Excel, you can simply type in the column and type in your text. So here in sheet 1, you can simply merge columns and you can type in the text. You can type in social media calendar. Once you have done, your up row will be your social media calendar. And then in section A, you can simply write in Sunday, and you can now as you can see I have been adding Sunday, Monday, Tuesday a week in my Excel sheet. So now you can plan your social media calendar accordingly and type it in each columns and row. So by doing this, you can design a social media calendar in your Excel. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.